It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 15th of April. I'm Michael Groff. Today should be the coolest day of the forecast period with breezy conditions and some high clouds around. And then we'll see gradually warmer weather through the weekend and next week high temperatures getting back toward that 90-degree mark. Could there be some precipitation along the way? Well, we'll talk about it as we dive in and discuss. First, yesterday in the valley, 88 degrees the afternoon high, 64 was the morning low. The normal high temperature is now crept up to 85, the normal low 60. And as we take a look outside right now, here at 5 a.m., scattered clouds out there this morning, and we're sitting at 68 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 30, relative humidity 24%, wind from the west at 9 miles per hour, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning, 56, the cool spots at Fort McDowell and Goldfield, 58 at Thompson Peak, 59 in Gilbert, most of the rest of the metro in the 60s at this hour. The upper air look, we have a trough over the Great Lakes and another one out here across the Great Basin, and that will continue our breezy and cooler temperatures out here across the west. The watch warning map shows some red flag warnings for the eastern counties of our state, as well as parts of New Mexico, West Texas, and Colorado. And you have those breezy conditions, low relative humidities, and that means the potential of wildfires will be there. Further to the north across Wyoming and spilling out into the Plain States, we have winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings and some freeze warnings over the plains as well. The convective outlook for today, the slight risk of severe storms across parts of Texas around Austin, over toward Round Rock and San Angelo, with a marginal risk for Texas, Oklahoma, and eastward along the Gulf Coast. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Numbers coming up a little bit along the rim and over in the eastern mountains of our state, as there is a slightly better chance that we could see some rain there over the weekend. And we'll talk about that and everything else going on as we dive into modeling right now. Here we go. It's the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that upper low moving through the southwest states today. Heights a little bit below average, westerly flow aloft. So down at the surface today, partly sunny, breezy, and a bit cooler. High temperatures upper 70s and low 80s. Looks like it'll be a beautiful day. Now again, breezes will pick up out of the southwest, could gust as high as about 20, maybe 25 miles per hour. Very similar to what we saw yesterday. Somewhat higher winds up across the higher terrain and over in the Mojave Desert as well. Any rain chances should stay to the north across Utah and Colorado. Tonight, we are partly cloudy, overnight lows mainly in the 50s, and then tomorrow, partly sunny, just a little bit warmer, highs low to mid 80s. As we go to the weekend, highs mid and upper 80s. On Saturday, there could be a stray shower or two across northern Arizona. And then on Sunday, the GFS becoming a little bit more bullish with this system moving into the state, tracking it a little bit further to the west and showing a bit of a deeper closed low type solution here. And if that would verify, that would increase a little bit of moisture, the dynamic cooling aloft, better support for some widely scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm along the rim and over in the eastern mountains of the state. Here in Phoenix, no real implication on us other than probably a few more clouds than originally forecast. We'll call the day partly cloudy. Will be breezy at times, and high temperatures should back off a little bit into the low and middle 80s. On Monday, that system begins to move to the east. Still maybe an isolated shower in eastern Arizona. We are mostly sunny, a little warmer, highs back toward the upper 80s. And then we should be getting into the low 90s on Tuesday with sunny sky. Upper 80s and low 90s Wednesday, again, mostly sunny sky. Another system passing to the north of Arizona at that time, so some rain across Nevada, Utah, and points to the north. And then here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 22nd. That wave now moving out into the eastern Rockies and the Plain States, a dry northwesterly flow here. That looks dry and seasonal. And as we look out 10 days, this is Saturday the 24th, ridging here across the southwest. That looks warm and dry, temperatures above average. And rainfall for Phoenix. This runs out through the 29th of April, coming off of the European ensemble. And yeah, it's a whole bunch of nothing there. And temperatures off the national blend of models, warming it up gradually as we head into next week. Look at that, 98 way out there. No thanks. We're getting dangerously close to those triple digits. Remember, my prediction for the first 100-degree day of the year, April 28th, and well, things are lining up to be pretty close to that right now. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a phenomenal Thursday.